Thinking about starting a business? Well, let's talk state and federal registration, what you need to know. Here's a question I get all the time. Do I need to register my business with the state and the IRS? Well, the short answer is yes, but they're for two different things. When you register your business with the state, you're forming a legal entity, usually an LLC or corporation, that gives you legal protection and authorizes you to operate in that state. The IRS, on the other hand, handles your federal tax identity. That's where your EIN comes from. Think of it this way. State registration is about legal structure and compliance. Federal registration is about how you report and pay taxes. You need both, but one doesn't replace the other. And then depending on your state, you might also need business licenses, permits, credentials, any of those things on top of it. It sounds complicated, but it's just a series of steps. And when you understand the difference, it gets a lot easier to do the things the right way. If you want help making sense of all this, ask the Elite Pro Business Assistant. Click below. It's a 24/7 chatbot ready to help you through every step. Book a call through our Simple Start program and get your business started today. You need Elite.